Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Hello everyone. We are from Group 1. I'm Tiara Madani.
I'm Farhan.
I'm Shafiq.
So, today we will show you our conversation about the rule of conversation. So, try to guess which maxim is being violated in our conversation, okay? Happy watching! Wow, this zoo is so big!
Yeah.
Which animal should we visit first?
Maybe my shoes are so tight today. I think I need new one.
We're talking about animal, not your shoes.
Maybe the lion. But I'm scared of cat.
But lions aren't cats, they're lions.
Technically, they are part of the cat family, Tia.
Oh, really? Anyway, do you guys know that the Eiffel Tower is 300 meters tall?
Tia, what does that have to do with the zoo?
Okay, fine. So, let's just go to the 11 area. Everyone agrees?
Elephants are amazing.
Yeah.
They can swim, use their trunks to drink, and some of them even fly.
Oh yeah, let's go.
Let's go.
Let's go.